sit properly سم کینا sit properly go there هلته لاړ شه go there who broke it دا چا مات کړو who broke it I need answer زما جواب پکار دی I need answer lower your voice आवाज دی کم کړه lower your voice speak a little louder لږ لوړ وایا speak a little louder not at all بالکل نه not at all put out the fire اور مړ کړه put out the fire I have no objection ما ته هیڅ اعتراض نشتا I have no objection I did eat ما خوړلې خو وو I did eat reach on time په وخت رسه reach on time I am waiting for you زستا انتظار کوم I am waiting for you don't compel me ما مجبور کوه ما don't compel me do it yourself پخپله یې وکړه do it yourself I am not into it زه په دې کې نه یم I am not into it time's running out وخت ختمیږي time's running out look at the time وخت وګوره look at the time one thing is sure یو خبره خو پخه ده one thing is sure no hard feelings هیڅ خفګان نشته no hard feelings you made me delay تا زه د ځنډ ښکار کړم you made me delay it's my decision دا زما پریکړه ده it's my decision don't clutter the dishes لوښي مه کړنګوه don't clutter the dishes did you try آیا تا خڅه وکړه did you try what's the hurry تادی د څه شي زده what's the hurry do it now please مهرباني وکړه دا وس وکړه do it now please it's fun دا خوندور دی it's fun where is the money پیسې کوم ځای دي where is the money یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ پیسې چیرته دي turn the volume down आवाज کم کړه turn the volume down turn the volume up आवाज سیوا کړه turn the volume up explain it د دې وضاحت وکړه explain it what happened today نن څه چل وشو what happened today you are lucky ته بختور یې you are lucky don't taunt me ما رټه ما don't taunt me don't crowd here دلته ګڼه مه جوړوئ. Don't crowd here. Don't shirk work. د کار نه ځان مه پټوه. Don't shirk work. Get chapter 7. اووم باب رواړوئ. Get chapter 7. It's a bad habit. دا یو بد عادت دی. It's a bad habit. Will you speak slowly? لږ په قلاره به ووایې کو. Will you speak slowly? Open your book. خپل کتاب کولاو کړه. Open your book. I was sit. زه ناست وم. I was sit. I was sit there. زه هلته ناست وم. I was sit there. Wait outside. بهر انتظار وکړه. Wait outside. Come near. نږدې راشه. Come near. No if and but. ډېر تین پنجمه کوه. No if and but. Or no if and but. سیوا انګړه دنګړه مه کوه. No if and but. Don't over smart. ډېر چالاک مه جوړېږه. Don't over smart. Don't defame him. هغه مه بدناموه. Don't defame him. Mind your tongue. خوله دې په واک کې کړه. Mind your tongue. Very well. ډېر ښه. Very well. Anytime. هر وخت. Anytime. No need. هیڅ اړتیا نشته. No need. یعنی هیڅ ضرورت نشته. Believe me. په ما باور وکړه. Believe me. Yes or no. او یا نه. Yes or no. Of course yes. بالکل او. Of course yes. It's warm. دا تود دی. It's warm. It's cold. دا یخ دی. It's cold. Make breakfast. ناری پوخ کړه. Make breakfast. ناری یعنی ناشته. Keep it here. دا دلته کېږدوه. Keep it here. Speak frankly. سپینه خبره وکړه. Speak frankly. It's a stale food. دا زوړ خوراک دی. It's a stale food. Sign here. دلته دسخط وکړه. Sign here. Don't turn the fan on. پنکه مه چالو کوه. Don't turn the fan on. Don't turn the fan up. پنکه مه بندوه. Don't turn the fan up. What's happening? څه روان دي. What's happening? Leave me. ما پرېږده. Leave me. Good idea. ښه نظر دی. Good idea. Or good idea. ښه خیال دی. Good idea. Throw up. بری ورتاو کړه. Throw up. Today is holiday. نن چوټی ده. Today is holiday. I think. ما تخکاری. I think. I agree. زه موافق یم. I agree. I don't agree. زه موافق نه یم. I don't agree. I am ready. زه چمتو یم. I am ready. I am not ready. زه نه یم چمتو. I am not ready. چمتو یعنی تیار. What is that? دغه څه دی. What is that? Who are you? ته څوک یې. Who are you? Not mine. زما نه. Not mine. Kindly sit down. کینئ. Kindly sit down. I will learn. زه به زده کړم. I will learn. You will learn. ته به زده کړې. You will learn. Never do so. داسې هیڅکله مه کوه. Never do so. He deserve it. هغه د دې مستحق دی. He deserve it. Come forward. مخې ته راشه. Come forward. Don't ignore that. په دغې سترګې مه پټوه. Don't ignore that. Or don't ignore that. په دغې ځان مه غلی کوه. Don't ignore that. Don't be lazy. ناراست مه جوړیږه. Don't be lazy. I have a car. ما سره یو موټر دی. I have a car. Golden chance. زرینه موقع. Golden chance. Call him. هغه را وغواړه. Call him. Take anyone. یو هم ترېنه واخله. Take anyone. This is mine. دا زما دی. This is mine. Read aloud. لوړ یې وایه. Read aloud. Do it right. سم یې وکړه. Do it right. I found it. ما دا موندو. I found it. Be calm. په آرام شه. Be calm. Where is he? هغه چرته دی. Where is he? Let me sing. پرېږده چې سندره ووایم. Let me sing. I am tired. زه ستړی یم. I am tired. Not again. بیا نه. Not again. Shut the door. دروازه بند کړه. Shut the door. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.